Alright, y'all, welcome back to a new video. This time I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can create your own wallpapers for Wallpaper engine and how you can use them and etc. So I'll start off with video background. So what you're gonna do is in Wallpaper engine, here is the Wallpaper editor button and click that. Then there's this button and press that and it should open the file explorer, and in here just find your preferably MP4 clip or a video, and it's best if it's loopable, so it's a smooth loop, because people over just like that better. So you select that and you can't really edit it in here. So all you now have to do is come into here and press on share on the Steam Workshop, and here change the name, at description, the genre, at the preview image, and then also at the age rating thing, and then just publish it and wait for the wallpaper to load, and that's it for the video wallpaper. So next up for photo wallpapers. If you do the same thing, to select your file, and it can be JPEG or PNG or something, whatever, and select that file. And when you have it selected, you're gonna come here and add all sorts of effects and edit it. There's a good library of effects. I mean, this grass thing, for example, and this weather thing, and all these types of effects that get affected by your cursor movement. So just add the effects you want. And now I have the effect here, and as you can see, I added a bit of a red tint so it fits the lightsaber, so it kind of like flows, or like pulses smoothly, and I set it pretty well so it doesn't affect the whole picture and just the red areas of the picture. And then once you're happy with your wallpapers, just come to the Wallpaper tab again and share Wallpaper and Steam Workshop, and again add the title, the description, age rating, and then the genre and the preview image. And also for preview image, you can press G and it will take a GIF for the preview image, so it shows the animation, and when you press enter it captures it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Do the same. So publish it and just wait for it to get published, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.